Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to go to the system section, backup and restore, reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data, factory reset, and then confirm it by tapping erase all data, and then tap it one more time to confirm whole operation. And after that, your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.